Now, let's take a look at your final example. You decided to invest $100 in the broad index fund of S&P 500 with a 9% annual return rate. How soon will your investment double? Running the number, 72 divided by 9% equal 8 years. Amazing, isn't it? Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Korianne. Today, we are uncovering one of the most powerful tools in finance, the rule of 72. Ever heard of it? Well, buckle up because we are about to dive deep into its magic. After watching this content, you can talk about this rule with anyone in the financial world and they know you are among the geniuses. I know, right? If you are new here and have found the content valuable, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the like and subscribe buttons. Your support plays a pivotal role in expanding this community of like-minded individuals who strive to support each other. So, what exactly is the rule of 72? It's a simple yet incredibly effective formula for estimating how long it will take for your investment to double based on a fixed annual rate of return and the power of the compound interest. The formula will look like this in the picture here. Here is how it works. You take the number 72 and divide it by the annual rate of return, expressed as a percentage. The result is the approximate number of years it will take for your investment to double. Let's break it down with some examples. Example number 1, you put $100 in the saving with a 5% annual rate of return. Imagine you invest $100 at an annual rate of return of 5%. How long will it take for your investment to double? Let's apply the rule of 72. Calculation as follows. 72 divided by 5 equals 14.4 years. So it will take approximate 14.4 years for your investment to double at 5% annual rate. Pretty straightforward, right? Next, move on to example number 2. Imagine you invest $100 to purchase one share of Apple stock with a 7% return. How long will it take for your money to double this time? Well, let's do the math. 72 divided by 7% equal approximately 10.3 years. Impressive, right? With a 7% return, your investment would double in just about 10.3 years. That's the power of compounding at work. Now, let's take a look at your final example. You decided to invest $100 in the broad index fund of S&P 500 with a 9% annual return rate. How soon will your investment double? Running the number, 72 divided by 9% equal 8 years. Amazing, isn't it? With 9% return rate, your investment would double in mere 8 years. That is the magic of compounding interest in actions when you find the right investment. Recall when I discussed in the video how banks can effectively double their earnings from your outstanding balance debts by just paying the minimum balance each month at 20% interest rate. Using the rule of 72 means they can double their money approximately every 3.6 years, calculated by dividing 72 by the 20% interest rate. So why the rule of 72 such a smart investment tool? It provides a quick and easy way to estimate the growth of your investment over time. By understanding approximately how long it takes for your money to double, you make informed decisions and plan for your financial future with confidence. In my investment journey, I rely on this method frequently. It serves as a quick tool for me to grasp the potential growth of the specific investment by estimating how long it may take to double my money based on its known rate of return. Here is the final illustrations. Let's take a closer look at one of my investments. A property that yields an annual return rate of 16% over 18 years or more. Initially, I invested $25,000 in this project. According to the rule of 72, with a 16% annual return, I would double my investment approximately every 4.5 years. Here is how the investment grew over time. 25 years invested at 16%. By year 4.5 years become 50,000. 9 years become 100,000. 200,000 after 13.5. 400,000 after 18 years. That's a remarkable return of one investment I still hold today, showcasing the power of strategic long-term investment decisions and compounding growth over time. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever used the rule of 72 to calculate your investment growth? What are your thoughts on these powerful tools? Share your experiences, insight in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time, happy investing. Ciao.
So you've got mussels, filet, white fish, tuna, steak, prawns, shrimps, anchovies, and the vegetables.
And this is
Tuna.
okay. How about this?
Monkfish.
Monkfish.
Very good, very tasty. Everything is from the grill. Enjoy and bon appetit.
Thank you.
Thank you.